Hello friends, welcome to Beatitude meditation. In this part, we learn about next step of meditation for beginners. I hope you practice the first meditation video for beginners. If you didn't, then not to worry about it. I will provide you the link of my first meditation video which are in English as well. Those who are visiting my channel first time, please subscribe me, push the bell icon too for further notification, and also go through my channel and provide me your precious advice in the comment box, and press the thumb which is pointing upwards if you like my videos. Now let's start one next level of meditation. Hope you people practice previous level a lot. Now sit or lie down as you feel comfortable. Settle yourself and now close your eyes slowly. Now take a deep breath. Breath out and breath in. Breath out. Breath in and breath out. Repeat this process 4 to 5 times and feel relaxed. Do it as same as we have done in previous meditation, part 1, meditation for beginners. Do it the same. And now just feel relaxed and take all your concentration towards your right toe. Scan each and every part of your toe from inside and outside and let it relax. Loose it and relax it. Scan each and every finger of your feet and scan it. Come towards your right toe. Scan each and every finger of left toe as well and let them loose and relax. Feel them relax, very much relax. Go easy and relax. You feel no any further stretching. You feel no way. Just feel relaxed and more relaxed and relaxed. Now come scan all your feet, your right feet and your left feet. Scan complete feet, right feet and left feet and scan it. Lose it. Just lose it. Just relax it. Come towards your ankle. Scan it from inside and outside, from your inner eyes, and just relax it and lose it. Come upwards towards your knee. First right knee and then left knee. Scan, come through your leg towards your knee and scan each and every part of your leg and lose it, relax it, lose it and relax it. Make it loose and relax. Just relax and loose. Come upwards towards your thighs and let them relax. Go easy and relax. Scan them. Scan each and every tissue, each and every vein, each and every part of your thigh, your complete leg from your toe to your thigh. Scan each and every part and Relax it. Just relax it. Just relax and easy. Just relax it and feel it. There is no weight of your leg anymore. You feel there is no weight of your leg. You feel them weightless. Now come upwards your waist. Come through your butt and come to your waist and just scan each and every part, scan each and every tissue and let them relax, very much relax. Scan your back completely, come to your backbone, scan each and every part of your backbone, let it be relaxed, just relax, lose it and relax it, scan it from your inner eyes, just lose it and relax it, just close your eyes, remain your eyes closed. You will watch all the things from your inner eyes. Now come to your shoulder, scan them and relax them. Your right arm, just scan your arm and relax them. Just relax each and every part of your arm. Just relax and lose them and relax them. Feel it easy and relax. Feel there is no weight of your arm. You feel them weightless and lose each and every part of your arm and come towards the left one and do the same process with your left arm. Just feel it loose, relax and feel there is no weight. Just relax it, say it, relaxed, relaxed and relaxed. Come to your stomach, scan each and every part of your stomach, each and every organ inside your stomach, your intestine, your liver, your pancreas, your each and every enzymes, everything. You scan it from your inside, your stomach, every part of your stomach, scan it, let them feel them loose and relax. Just relax them, relax, very much relax, easy and relax, just easy and relax. Just lose it and relax it. Feel they all are working very good. They are doing very good job and doing everything is correctly. They work perfectly. Now come upwards to your lungs, scan each and your both lungs, your each and every ribs and scan it from inside and let them relax and loose. Scan your chest completely from outside and inside and let it loose and comfortable. Just relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. Come upward your thought, scan each and every part of your thought from inside and outside, your neck from inside and outside and scan it and feel it loose. Come towards your chin, then your cheeks, then your ears, then your lips, then tongue, your each and every part of your teeth. Scan each and every part of your tongue. Scan each and every part of your nose. Scan each and every part of your eyes. And then let everything relaxed and easy. Lose them and relax them. Go easy. Go relaxed. Just relaxed. Feel free. Feel easy. Feel relaxed. Now come to your forehead, scan each and every part of your forehead and relax it, lose it and feel it relaxed. Say it relaxed, just relaxed, relax. Scan each and every part of your hair, each and every hair, and let it relax. Just relax it and lose it and relax it. Scan now. Come to your very important part of your body, that is your brain. Come to it and just say, scan it, each and every corner of your brain. Just scan each and every corner of your brain. Scan it very deeply, each and every vein, each and every corner, each and every part of your brain, and just scan it completely from inside. Scan each and every thought, scan everything, how your brain is working. Scan everything deeply and say it relaxed. Just say it relaxed. Feel it while saying relaxed. Just feel relaxed and easy and relaxed and easy and relaxed. Let your thoughts float. Don't try to stop them. Let them float in. If they are floating, let them float in. Don't try to stop. Just concentrate on your scanning. Just concentrate on your scanning. Don't force them to stop. Just scan it, let it be. Just concentrate on your scanning and make them relax and say them relax and lose it. Feel there is no pressure on your brain. You are very relaxed, very calm. Everything is very relaxed and calm. You feel there is nothing, there is no thoughts for worries. Everything is relaxed and easy, go relax. Just relax them, lose them, and feel happy and relaxed and calm. Just feel happy, relaxed and calm. Just feel happy, relaxed and calm. You can be in this position as long as you want to be. And yes, how you know that meditation is doing good? You feel there is no weight of your body anymore. If you are doing it correctly, you feel there is no weight of your body. You feel too much relaxed, very much relaxed. And even you can sleep too while doing this meditation. And it is very much relaxed, very much positive, and it is the backbone of each and every meditation, and it's play a vital role in our lives, and it is very important and very, very important, and gives very, very much positive energy, very much relaxation, and it provides a happiness of inside you and as well as in your life. If you are trying it at least once in a day, if you are doing once in a day, you find the miracle. You just find the miracle. Just do it at least once in a day. If you are able to make it twice in a day, that will be the best. If you can try it just once in a day, just once, any time in your day, as per your choice, according to your choice, but do it in at least once in a day, and then you find the miracle, you find the change in your life, you find the positivity in your life and your atmosphere as well. Thank you so much. If you like this meditation, let me know in the comment box and press thumb if you like it. And for further meditation videos or motivational videos, just subscribe me and press the bell icon too. And thank you so much. Have a good day.